it's kind of a nice walking stick.
Oh, beautiful flowers here. That's beautiful. So this is where people sit outside for nice. Yes, to drink tonight.
Made an effort of renovating this area.
Oh, it was all dunes.
No, but it seems to me that this area was not as
On our left used to be just dunes.
bikes everywhere.
As you also would expect.
Huh?
As you also would expect. Seems like everything is quiet here. We have been through so much traffic. Here it's really quiet.
How long do you think it takes us to get to the beach?
15 minutes?
You see a short? Is that what you want?
Jeans give your body a bit of shape that any other material doesn't. It compacts it.
Maybe jeans.
This looks like easy decoration.
This area, Zaken control. Our perfume shop.
Ah yeah, I brought a voucher.
The Shah Yel
Sharpie.
B-I-E L-L-I-E
In Dutch.
Billy. Like your insect there. Is it a bee? It's hidden today by
It's a bee house. The highest tune is at this one, isn't it? This is the highest tune now.
oh yeah, I said that
This one on the left maybe.
uh-huh.
Or the one on the right, I think.
Looks like a nice area. short streets. Zandkasteel.
Zandkasteel?
Ja?
Ja.
Stay 5 steps. We're staying 5 steps behind.
Yeah, those girls came in front of me.
You always dominate you like that. We also visited in the morning, so and then it was raining, and then it was windy.
Well, I think it was windy all day, but then it started to also rain. There's your AC Paris shop, you see?
Oh yeah,
I remember.
there must be many of those.
So I thought, oh, shall I buy a voucher for Sarah? And I thought, well, we'll have time in here.
Cycling here or going on the road.
Allez, profite. Ciao.
Slagen. Buurtslagers. Is it nice? What I found bizarre, as I told you the other day, I had more people speaking French.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's very French.
But maybe that's the holiday makers.
No. It's very French.
Mm-hmm.
Some towns more than the next to the French border.
Did you see that one?
But in some they'll be speaking more French than in others.